bakit naging moot and academic? Yung local case na yun.
Hindi na nakapag-decide dahil nag-eleksyon na eh.
Yes.
And ang pakiramdam ko nga, ganito yung ginagawa rin sa akin. Na tinutulak, dinedelay para maging moot din. Again, to repeat myself, although it was not resolved, that case was not resolved, the findings, technical examination of the COMELEC are still available and are still valid. And that's part of the evidence that we would like to present to the court. Ano bang mawawala? Let's present the evidence. Kung sa palagay nila hindi sapat para mag-anal, mag-decide sila. Pero pabayaan kami 4.5 years ito. They just refuse to accept and to receive evidence and for us to argue on that ground. That is why it is clear to me that ang ginagawa talaga ay hindi na adjudication kung hindi delay.
Do you think, sir, there is still enough time, sir? Based on your experience, Attorney Rodriguez, how long does it take for the PET, for example, to resolve, assuming that they continue with the third cause of action, annulment of elections? How long will it take? Because they're saying you have to count per every precinct, there has to be at least more than 50% of the votes affected by supposedly allegations of fraud. And that from every precinct, you go to the municipality level and the province level and region-wide. Is there enough time, sir?
We believe so, Mike. In fact, itong findings na ito, yung pinakikita ko sa inyo, all we have to do is just adopt these initial findings made by the COMELEC, and then kung ano man ang magiging ruling ng tribunal na magpresenta pa kami ng additional evidence, just so to meet the 50+1% threshold, then mas mabilis na ho yan. I think may mahaba pa yung panahon basta't wala lang delay. That's why we have resorted to this very drastic move of asking for the inhibition of Associate Justice Marvic Leonen as the ponente or justice in charge of the case, and for him to not to participate in any manner in this election protest case anymore.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Any more questions, ladies and gentlemen? If there's none,
wala na. All right. Well, thank you very much. We just wanted to come out and explain to everybody what we have done today. I hope that you take this into account, especially ang ating mga kaibigan sa press, to be more accurate in terms of your reporting as to what is actually happening. I'm speaking specifically to the differences between an annulment of an election and a failure of election. We have nothing to do with any petition of any failure of election. That's never been what we have asked for. What we have asked for is completely different. So failure of election is totally irrelevant to my case, my protest case. But having made that clear, I hope that, as I said, that Justice Leonen will really go into a period of self-examination and to see and to convince himself whether or not he has been biased or he has been fair. In my view, he has been completely biased. He has been completely partisan. He has prejudged this case a long time ago. And that is why we filed this. On that, let's end the conference. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
All right. Thank you.